This thing is huge, people. Now we're just cleaning the bottom of the fish. You're not gonna like the way this feels. That feels it. So, we've got the fish. Stephen's giving it a good old clean. This is the stingray we caught earlier. So we're gonna
I don't even know how to pick it up.
Put some salt on there with water to take all the slime off. And then we're gonna fillet this bad boy. And it's gonna be called Philip the Fillet.
So, that's probably better.
The face on it. Oh, that's where the hook went through.
Look at that. So,
that's what's come off the fish.
Yeah. Put that cold on, I don't want to get the top.
"15 minutes later."
So yeah, we just got some salt on the fish now. That's supposed to clean all the slime off. So mate, be generous with this salt, I don't care.
No, I don't do the tail, we're not doing that.
Steve wants the tail.
No, that's
He wants
good,
to jerk it.
Oh, what are you doing, man? Oh, that's too much,
Nah,
man.
he's gonna wash it off.
Put some of that water in.
Yeah,
Press that tap on.
Massage that in now. We're gonna clean up all this slime, and then we're gonna fillet it. Now we're just cleaning the bottom of the fish. Yep, doing a good old job there.
30 minutes later.
She is washed and cleaned.
Massive. Compared to that sink over there.
This thing is huge, people. Yeah, I wish we had a tape measure to measure the wingspan.
Wait, I've got one.
Have ya?
Yeah.
Go on, get it.
Got a bit.
Yeah. 33 inches, you know. 22-inch wingspan panda thing there. Big fish. Big fish. So what you say, the bone, it's there, isn't it, yeah?
Cutting all the way through to the bottom?
Nah, because you got to take it off the bone. You cut through a little bit and then you have to get it.
Later.
Still on the bit.
You nearly just hit me!
Sorry.
He was like...
That's it.
This was...
I'm going to wash this up again, right?
Yeah.
You can do that one.
This was Danny.
Cheers.
Yeah, that's nice. You can see the slime underneath it. Oh, right now both sides are
That is a different level of
slime.
goo.
You know what I think it is as well? I think, mate, probably most of the fish we get is probably like that. We just don't know because we buy it from a shop. Emmy?
You ready for that? Ready for this one?
Yeah, drop it in, bro.
Later that evening.
And here are the finished prepared fillets. So yeah. These took about an hour and a half to flip in scale and clean and everything, people.
That's what I put that
we're going to cook these up tomorrow. Going to let them sit soak in this water. And then, yep, see you tomorrow.
The next evening.
So, people, we have got the fish ready to get seasoned by Chef Miraz. So basically, yesterday, we scaled this, cleaned it, washed it for about 2 hours, innit? Then we soaked it in water, left it overnight, and now it's good to go to get seasoned. We're gonna do one with some of the garlic and sea salt and maybe a bit of black pepper, and then the other one's gonna have the all-purpose, and then we're gonna bake it in the oven, and then we're gonna do the taste test. Oh yeah, and we'll put some lemon on it as well. So old Chef Miras is gonna take us through the steps today. Put some lemon on there to any bacteria that might be on there, but we've cleaned this like thoroughly, mate. This has got the cleanse. Bit of lemon on there. I was reading about these fish yesterday because they were very slimy. The skin, and it's ultra slimy. But apparently they're so slimy to protect them from parasites, which is good to know. So at least we know it's highly unlikely that these fish have got parasites. But yeah, first time I'm eating stingray, so I am nervous, but looking forward to it. Because I ain't gonna lie, people, if you saw how much slime was on this fish, it was next level. Generous amount of the old garlic. These are some chunky fillets, you know, people. I swear this could probably... How much people could you say that could feed? About 6. If you had like stuff with it, potatoes
Well,
and...
imagine the bone's still in it, so I don't know what's gonna be left after.
Yeah, there's bones still in there because the knife we was using weren't sharp enough to take it right off the bone, so we just done the best we could. This is our old beautiful Airbnb surroundings.
Just then.
Quick change of plan, people. We are going to fry it now because apparently if we bake it for too long, it might be tough. So yeah, we're gonna fry it instead. We'll be given some knowledge by some knowledgeable people. Old perp. Do you think they'll fit in the pan together?
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll shrink anyway, won't they?
Yeah,
Look at the size of that for a fillet, mate. Oil in the pan. Lovely jubbly.
solid oil.
I hope this comes out good, man.
Same.
That's good old slab of meat in it. It's huge, isn't it, bro? Yeah. First piece. Yeah, we're just gonna let those cook off on that side slowly, then we'll turn them over and see how it goes. Catch them in a minute. Just having some seasoning to the top. And I've got my old son over here drumming his life away.
You could have told
He's a little rocker. Little salt bay. Yeah, just flip them over. Here's the boy, Billy Bandy Jr.
Many beers later.
The fish is cooked. So one of them is garlic, lemon and pepper, and the other one's all-purpose. I think this is the all-purpose one, and I think this is the garlic, lemon and pepper. So now we're gonna do the taste test. Who wants to go first?
Me?
Yeah. This is Billy Bandy Jr. He can go first then. But let me just make sure there's no bone in it.
Pretty good.
We're done.
It's alright. It's like,
Pretty good.
it hasn't got much taste to it.
Yes, it has. What do you mean it's got no taste to it?
It's more. It's more. I don't think it's got much taste to it, and I can't get that. I don't even want to say it while we're eating it, but basically this fish had loads of slime on it, and it's a way that it protects itself from parasites. We have to clean all that off, skin it, but every time I'm eating it, I don't know why I just keep thinking about that slime.
I I'm speechless.
Someone likes it. You like it? What do you think? Let me try this.
It's sort of fire.
Is it fire? I'd probably like it a bit more crispy, you know.
I'm just getting a
It's
fork.
not bad at all.
You want to try some more?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. This is
Okay.
Mrs. Bandu.
No!
Which one do you want to try?
What one's that?
I think that's the all-purpose.
I want to try this one. Open wide.
That one might be the lemon one.
Will it sting me?
No. What do you think?
Can I try some of yours?
You like it?
Yeah.
You want some more?
Bones?
Can I try some of yours?
Yeah, try some of the other one.
Yeah. Okay.
I can feed myself.
Have it if you want.
Come on, let's watch the bones.
Nah, really.
Yeah, it's alright.
It is decent.
It's okay.
I think they're all purple.
I'm not, I'd probably like it a bit more crispy out.
Try some of these
What?
bits up here.
Considering how vile it looked when it was cleaning. Any bro.
Yeah, Rick.
It had black slime coming off it.
Stop talking about that.
Sorry. And that's bone there, that part is done. But no, I'm pleasantly surprised and I'm kind of proud of
If
us.
I had to eat it and I
Mm.
stuck anywhere and that was the only thing I'd eat.
What we had
It's
to
not
do
that bad. It's not that bad.
what we had to do was we was gonna leave the whole fish in the fridge and then do it all today, but because we've been watching that Bear Grylls Island, basically you can't leave the guts in it overnight, it will taint the whole of the fish and make it taste funny, so we had to do all of that yesterday. But I think it's nice, it's just a bit wet for me, I like it a bit more.
That's what I thought. I didn't want to stay there as well.
Yeah.
Slimy.
When you're tasting it,
That
yeah.
was on the end,
It's
but
fine
now
when
I'm
you
in the
say it,
middle.
but when Daddy said it.
Try the middle.
It's good. It's good. And as you can
Try the
see,
middle bit,
They
yeah.
used to love it, look at this one.
Try that middle bit.
Alright, cool.
Sister, don't eat all the steak,
Right,
right?
pass
Or
that.
I'll eat
This part
it.
here.
Yeah.
Can I have some?
It's not as wet.
It is better. It's not as wet.
It's still got
I
that.
like it drier though. I don't mind. You know what I
Dry.
mean? Like, no, I think that would be nice. Deep fried. If you could fill it and get the bones out first, and you just deep fry the whole thing. Isn't that how they do catfish in America and that? I reckon
It's
that'd be
better
fire.
or something.
Yeah.
I could like that.
Well, sorry. There you have it, people. Orange RTV. Stingray. Catch and cook.
Stop being cringe.
Stop that.
He's cringe, by the way.
You quiet.
We can just cut that bit out.
Yeah. Anyway, people, like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.
Don't like, share, subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe to everyone.